With the Geepas 2-in-1 Air Purifier and Humidifier, uncover the science behind cleaner and more comfortable living spaces to breathe fresh and clean. A 1.5-liter water tank for continuous operation for a longer period of time. The touch panel with a convenient remote control offers easy use and control at your fingertips. Perfected technology that efficiently removes viruses, dust, allergens, and pollutants, so you can enjoy a breath of fresh air with minimal power consumption. With both air purification and humidification in a single device, you can project clean air into your room. Regulate the usage at your convenience from any room with its Wi-Fi function. And the most powerful purifier is also the quietest, even at full power. The 3-stage filter system effectively removes airborne pollutants and allergens. Now, breathe better with Geepas.